Hello, it's from Technology in the Future. This year, the anticipation is off the charts as we get our first possible look at the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's that time of the year again when speculations and leaks regarding Samsung's eagerly awaited Galaxy lines start making waves across the internet. Given that Samsung appears to be continuing with its tried-and-true design, you might mistake it for the Galaxy S23 Ultra or even the S22 Ultra if you took a closer look. The large front display, which is said to have the same 6.8-inch size and a rear camera configuration, are both unchanged. For all of you tech aficionados waiting to see a preview of Samsung's top Galaxy S24 series, today is a special day. We recently had the advantage of viewing high-resolution images of the normal S24 Surface online. Now we have the opportunity to thoroughly examine the Ultra model using renders and a 360-degree movie. These leaked photos of Samsung's upcoming flagship smartphone were provided by SmartPrix in association with OwnLeaks Elite and are based on 3 DCAD renderings of the device. The S24 Ultra has a sleek and boxy form, with sharp corners and gently curved sides, eerily like its predecessor, the S23 Ultra. The S24 Ultra seemed to keep its curved sides, unlike the Galaxy S24, which is said to have flat sides. The phone is a little bit bigger and shorter than the S23 Ultra though. Although the front has some curvature, it appears to be more of a function of the frame or 2.5D curved glass. Although the real display seems flat, there is some space for misinterpretation because of the wallpaper and backdrop color selection. It's probable that the S24 Ultra will have a flat display, or one with a slight curve, given that the S23 Ultra had already begun to move towards flatter displays. It's important to note that Samsung appears to have made substantial progress in lowering bezels on the S24 Ultra in terms of design advancements. According to reports, they could have the smallest smartphone bezels ever seen, but until we can properly evaluate them in person, we should proceed with caution. Additionally, there is a cutout for ultra-wideband technology on the right edge next to the power button. Additionally, Samsung fans will notice the S Pen slot on the S24 Ultra, a sign of sustained support for this cherished feature. In early 2024, the Galaxy S24 series is anticipated to debut, and as the time draws closer, you can bet that we'll learn more about it. What do you think of these intriguing new renderings of Samsung's upcoming S24 lineup? Keep checking back to our channel for additional updates and feel free to leave your comments below. And remember to follow the newest news. Peace out until next time.